Welcome back to Wheel World today. We are introducing you to modified Ford F100 does exactly that. A timeless icon reimagined for today's roads. This is a Ford F100, but not just any F100. It's been carefully modified, combining vintage design with cutting-edge performance. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this build truly special. First up, the exterior. The original F100 design is unmistakable, but this one's been given a serious makeover. Check out the custom paint, flawless with a deep metallic finish that pops in the light. Every line, every curve still screams classic, but these modern touches, they take it to another level. The stance is lower, sitting on a custom suspension setup that not only looks aggressive, but improves handling. And these wheels, deep dish alloys wrapped in performance tires, mean business. Under the hood is where things get really interesting. Gone is the original power plant, replaced by a modern V8. This beast cranks out serious horsepower, making it not just a cruiser, but a powerhouse on the road. Paired with a performance exhaust system, it sounds as good as it drives. Raw, throaty, and unapologetically loud. Step inside and the vintage meets modern theme continues. Custom leather seats, a reworked dash with digital gauges. This is no basic truck interior. Classic styling cues remain, but it's packed with modern tech like a touchscreen infotainment system and updated climate control. Comfort, performance, and style, all in one package. And on the road, it's a whole new experience. The upgraded suspension means better cornering, and with all that power under the hood, it pulls hard through every gear. But it's not just about speed. This F100 rides smoother and handles better than anything from its era. So what makes this modified Ford F100 special? It's the perfect balance, classic American truck heritage, fused with modern performance and comfort. Whether you're a fan of vintage trucks or high-performance machines, this one delivers on all fronts. And let's be honest, when it looks this good and drives this well, it's hard not to fall in love with it. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around. There's plenty more coming your way. Until next time, keep those engines revving.